Gotta cut it in half, don't you? Oh, you got film and cut it in half.
All right. Got all of the extra tissue out of the way. Gonna go ahead and...
It's gonna squirt, man. Keep your mouth shut.
Cut it in half.
I should make it make ways back.
I don't want nice clothes on, man. What is distracting you?
It doesn't want me to be in the
It's
video.
not great, to be honest, yeah.
Juicy.
That's hard to cut.
Yeah, that stuff is pretty rigid. You're probably into the lens.
The scallop. I'm just dissecting it anterior and posterior.
That's what you're supposed to do first, right?
Just that. That's it.
I thought you had to go front to back.
Okay. All right. Got some viscous and aqueous humor.
Nice.
Get a good look at all that.
Ugh.
Pull it out. Oh no. Took the retina right with it.
It is the retina.
Yep.
You just gave him a retinal detachment.
There's all the retina. You can see it. It's attached to, what's that called? Where it goes through?
Sclera.
No, where it goes through.
Oh, the optic nerve. The optic disc.
The optic disc. That's right. Yeah.
You see the optic disc?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's optic disc coming out.
Is that getting close?
Making for all the retina tissue. This cow now has a detached retina.
Eli, work the mouse. Can you scroll down, please? Yeah, the viscous humor is hard to get out.
Yeah, it's a big glob of jelly. What is that right there?
Ooh, I'm going to turn this inside out.
You know what that is? It's the lens.
That's the lens. And it'd be like crystal glass clear. Yeah.
It focuses all the images.
Messed up. And what's the, what are those muscles called around it that contract and move it?
Iris.
Is that the iris? Yeah.
The iris comes, squeezes down and goes back up to protect it.
And the chorioid coat, that's what this is.
Chorioid coat, man.
And that blue tint is where the night vision. This one was in a brightly lit place, looks like. I don't know, I guess it's still half of it that is. All that.
You're supposed to take the cornea off. There's a lens. This is how they actually...
That's nice.
Nice lens. Take care of cataracts. You pop that right out and put it in an artificial cataract.
Really?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Just like you just did, but not quite as invasive.
Turn it inside out and pluck it out. All right. And that's the dissection.
You want to look at the viscous or the aqueous humor in the anterior chamber, right?
What, down in there?
Yeah, that's in front of the lens. That's all aqueous humor.
Right. All the water.
And that's the iris. So that's a muscle right here. All this is muscle.
Yeah. And you can see how rigid it is.
You see how
it's actually muscle.
The cow
It's
eye,
rectangular.
well, it's oblong compared to the roundness of a human.
Yeah, I'm like a goat. All right. That's the dissection.
Easy day.
Nice, good job, bro.
Call it. We can't save it.